Hi everyone, let's make vegetarian Pancit Canton. First, let's chop up our onions, mushrooms, bell peppers, celery, garlic, and carrots. Here's a wok. Put some oil in it. Once it's hot, add the onions and garlic. Going to cook this for at least 30 seconds. Then add in the shiitake mushroom. Add the carrots and cook for another minute. As you can see, the semi-caramelized veggies will boost the flavor of our pancit. Going to add a cup of water and mix. Once it starts to simmer, add the noodles and cover for at least 2 minutes. The steam will make the noodles soft. Once it softens up, add a tablespoon of oyster sauce, soy sauce, a pinch of salt and pepper. Then add the chopped celery stalks and leaves. Going to mix this up, and before we serve, we're going to add in our chopped parsley leaves. But wait, let me add some minced garlic. And this is ready to serve. Here's our vegetarian pancit canton. Thanks for watching.